On our way back from our 3-month out west trip, we changed our plans from going straight back to Georgia to head to Elk City, Oklahoma to get some work done on our RV. We made reservations to stay at Twin Points Campground in Skiatook, Oklahoma, but we ran into a problem. We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's go ahead and take this because this actually takes us to our site. Hang on, because we're going to speed on down the road to get to the guard check because it's a long ways down. It's 1.5 miles, and then after you get checked in, it's a bit more of a drive. It's very pretty on the lake. Twin Points is an Army Corps of Engineers campground that is located along the forested lakeshore of Skiatook Lake in northeast Oklahoma. Visitors can enjoy boating, swimming, fishing, and picnicking and a playground at the park. The campground includes nearly 50 sites with 50 amp electrical pedestals with water, paved roads, and a newer accessible shower and restroom building. Many of the campsites have beautiful views of the water. This park has a nearby swim beach and boat ramp, and it's great for hikers. Sport fishing offers anglers many hours of enjoyment on the lake. The park is open April 1st through October 30th, and you can reserve a campsite 6 months in advance. There are about 50 back-in sites that range from 58 to 96 feet long, and they're $24 a night unless you have the America the Beautiful senior card, and then it's 50% off. Something to note is to read the comments that people have left on individual sites that you may want to reserve, as many have commented that the sites were so uneven they could not level their RV. We found the road narrow and lots of ditches. Some of the sites have curbs along the sides of the sites, which can also make it difficult for backing in. Amenities include flush toilets, playground, showers, vault toilets, picnic table, electricity hookup, water hookup, barbecue, fire pit, and dump station. 31.
Alright. Where's the number? Oh, on the picnic table. 33.
Remember this one right here.
Oh, this is good.
You gonna be able to do this?
I don't know.
Rules state not to park in the road. There's one car in the road, and he's right in front of our campsite. Wouldn't you know it?
This guy over here with this car is going to have to go bye-bye.
See if I can find an owner. So I knocked on the nearby campers, but nobody answered. I called the host and told her about the car being there. She said she knew who the people were, and they had a boat, and the boat was not there at the campsite, so they were probably out in the boat, and she was going to try to give them a call and then come out and take a look at the situation.
I don't know if she's on the phone, but she doesn't answer. What do you want to do? You want to drive up there or what?
I guess.
If that car wasn't there, would we be okay?
Yeah. Yeah, they're a hanger right here.
Yeah.
This is her.
Yeah.
I'll have to come at it from, yeah, probably. Yeah, I suppose I can.
Got a lot of shade and everything.
Alright. Give it a shot.
That's my backup spot, so.
Alright. Thank you much.
See if you can get in here.
Okay.
That tells me that they keep sites available for just in cases or something.
Probably be better to, well, maybe I can get it in there. Yeah. turning herny. Oh boy, we're gonna be out on the grass for sure.
Oh, that's okay.
I'm about ready to crush a culvert pipe. What is that thing in the ground right there? To your right. Look down. What is that? That's what I was about ready to crush.
You are 4 feet from going into gravel, 10 feet from a tree. You can keep coming, you can keep coming, and you can keep coming, and you can go about 2 more feet. Okay, good. Tires a turn, we're good. Okay. Go slow. Go slow. I don't want it to hit the concrete. You're good?
What's it look like over here?
Grab it. You're good? Keep coming. Good. Okay, straighten up. Stop. Go forward. Tires are not straight. Now come back. Okay, good. Keep coming. Slow down, slow. You're good. Keep going. Keep coming. 3 feet, 2 feet, stop. Go forward 6 inches.
So we ended up in Site 30, which is not on the reservation list because it's held back for just in cases. And we were one of those just in cases. Luckily, we could put the tote way off into the grass, put our legs at the very end of the asphalt pad, put Leroy in a little crooked, and able to get in. The weird thing about this site was it was almost a 90-degree turn, even worse than that, to get into it. And our tote was having a little trouble with the air. So it took quite a while, and it was over 100 degrees. Nice campground. They do have a beach, you have to drive to it. This was probably one of the trickiest back ends we've ever had. And you can see we got our back legs as far as back as we could get them. And let me show you the angle that Dave had to make to get in here. So you can see this is actually tighter than a 90-degree turn here. Dave did it. Things to know, our campground attendant is available from 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. Thursdays through Monday. Gates are closed from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. every day. Checkout is 4 p.m. Check-in is at 6 p.m. I think that's ridiculous, and they will charge you for an extra day if you arrive early. I reserved an extra day early just so we could get in before 6 o'clock. Also, don't move firewood, and standing timber may not be cut for firewood. Although Twin Points has some very long campsites, it's not exactly big rig friendly because of the narrow roads, the ditches, and people parking on the sides of the roads. But if you have a smaller rig, come on out and check it out. It's a really nice park. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.